Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have x minus 1 to the power of 6 is equals to 4 to the power of 6 a- and we solve this problem for all the real values of x. So here you see that we need to solve this problem for only real roots. And now we move toward the solution of this problem. The very first thing we are going to do is first we move 4 to the power of 6 into the left hand side, and it will be written as x minus 1 to the power of 6 minus 4 to the power of 6, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need to rewrite this equation as so here this is x minus 1 to the power of 6, and it will be written as x minus 1 cubed and its whole square, minus we write this 4 to the power of 6 as 4 cubed and its whole square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we use the nice squared formula. You know about that. If we have a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times, so we have our a is x minus 1 cubed minus b is 4 cubed into a plus b. So again we have our a is x minus 1 cubed plus our b is 4 cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need to divide this equation into the two cases. So now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x minus 1 cubed minus 4 cubed, and this whole equation equals to 0. And the second case is we write x minus 1 cubed plus 4 cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So we call this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So we need to solve both of these two equations simultaneously, and now here first we need to focus on equation number 1. So that in equation number 1 now we apply here this nice cubic formula. So you know about that. If we have a cubed minus b cubed is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So according to this formula we write this equation as, so after applying this cubic formula into the equation number 1, it will be written as, first you have a minus b, the value of a is x minus 1 minus the value of b is 4 into, this is a square, the value of a is x minus 1 square plus ab, the value of a is x minus 1 and b is 4 plus b square, so b is 4 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as, this is x minus 1 minus 4 becomes minus 5 into, here we use we need to expand this nice formula, so it will be written as x square plus 1 square minus 2 times of x, plus here we multiply 4 on both of these two terms, and it will be written as 4x minus 4 plus this 4 square becomes 16, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this is x minus 5 times of, here we have x square plus this minus 2x plus 4x becomes plus 2x, and this minus 4 plus 16 becomes 12, and 12 plus 1 becomes 13, and this whole equation is equals to 0. Now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x minus 5 equals to 0, and the second case is we write x square plus 2x plus 13 equals to 0. From here we easily get the value of x is equals to 5. So this is the first real root of the given equation, and now here in order to find the other real roots we need to solve this quadratic equation. So here first we check that is this quadratic equation has a real root or not. So here we use the discriminant formula. For this first we need to write the coefficient of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 2, and c is equals to 13. And we know about the discriminant formula. It is denoted by delta equals to b square minus 4 times of ac. So here we need to substitute the values of a, b and c. And when we put all of these values here, it will be written as delta equals to 2 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 13. And we have 2 square becomes 4, and 4 times of 13 is equals to 52, and here we easily get the value of delta equals to minus 48. And you see here, the value of delta is less than 0. It means that this quadratic equation gives us the complex root. Okay, so if this equation gives us the complex root, but here we need only real root, so that we rejected this case. Okay, so here we have just only one real root, that is x is equals to 5. And now we move towards our second equation. And now here we copy down our equation number 2 here. Equation number 2 is x minus 1 cubed plus 4 cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. This is our equation number 2. And here we use another cubic formula. You know about that. If we have a cubed plus b cubed is equals to a plus b times of a square minus ab plus b square. So according to this cubic formula, we write our above equation as in this form. First you have a plus b, the value of a is x minus 1 plus the value of b is 4 into this is a square, the value of a is x minus 1 square minus ab, the value of a is x minus 1 into b is 4 plus b square, b is 4 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. Here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this is minus 1 plus 4 becomes here 3 into, here we expand this algebraic formula, and you know about that. If we have x square and plus 1 square minus 2 times of x into 1, and we multiply minus 4 on both of these two terms, and it will becomes minus 4x plus 4, and plus 4 square becomes 16, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x plus 3 equals to 0, and the second case is we write x square plus this 1 square becomes 1 minus this is 2 times of x, this is minus 4x plus 4 plus 16 becomes 20, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So from this case we easily get the value of x is equals to minus 3. This is the second real root of the given equation. And now here for other we need to simplify this, and we have x square minus 2x minus 4x becomes minus 6x, and 1 plus 20 becomes here 21, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we need only real root. So first we can check that is this quadratic equation has a real root or not by using the discriminant formula. So for this we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 6, and c equals to 21. And we state the quadratic formula as delta, we state the discriminant formula as delta equals to b square minus 4 times of ac. So here we substitute the values of a, b, and c, and we check its behavior. So the value of b is minus 6 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 21. Minus 6 square becomes 36, and 4 times of 21 becomes here 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. And 36 minus 84 becomes here minus 48, and again you see that it is less than 0. So again our data is less than 0. This means that this equation gives us the complex root. So if this gives us complex root, we rejected that case as well because we need only real root. So finally we have the real roots of the given equation are x is equals to minus 3 and plus 5. This is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.